Hello, I'm Caitlin from the Cape May County Library, and today I'll be showing you how to make salted caramel chocolate fudge and chocolate mousse. First, we're going to start by adding chocolate chips into a saucepan on low heat. To that, we're going to add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Make sure to keep mixing it so that the chocolate doesn't stick to the bottom or burn. Now that our chocolate is melted and incorporated, I'm going to add some sea salt. Once it's mixed together, put it in the fridge for about an hour. I added caramel on top of mine as well. After adding more salt on top, this is what it'll look like when it's finished. For the mousse, I'm using the double boiler method, meaning there's a pot of boiling water under a heat-safe bowl. Make sure that the water is not touching the bowl or your chocolate may burn. So I'm going to melt the chocolate with a little bit of butter. This makes it creamy. Now I'm going to sift in about 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. My secret ingredient for chocolate mousse is actually instant espresso powder, so I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of that. The espresso powder makes the chocolate flavor a little more rich. Mix the powders in until it's no longer lumpy. Now we're going to gradually add in 16 ounces of whipped cream.
Showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Now don't panic, it may look a little weird right now, but as you keep stirring it, it will get smoother. You can either spoon it directly into the cups, or as I'm going to do, I'm going to put it into a piping bag to make it look fancy. Thanks for watching! If you want even more fantastic content, check out our Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube at CMC Library.